Welcome back everyone to my channel, Flair for Adornment. This is our first 2024 Halloween video and we're going to start it off with a Halloween haul. This is one of two videos I plan to make of hauls for my 2024 purchases. This will contain mostly my interior one, and the second one will focus on the exterior items that I bought for this year. So we're starting things off with these black flameless candles. I purchased these items from Amazon. I'm really focusing on lighting this year, both inside and out. You can also see that I've purchased some items for my exterior yard for the LED floodlights and some spotlights. Those all from Amazon as well. I also picked up this bat tray from HomeSense. This is a quick look at one of the smaller items. It's kind of like a plastic. I'll use it to have food. I've also picked up this really great smelling candle from HomeSense, which kind of has a spider on the top of it. I also picked up this adorable kitten in costume. It's got a couple black marks on it, but I'll clean it up a little bit later. But look at those wings. They're so cute. I also picked up this tarot card set from the Ghoulish Garb. I had seen them first from another YouTuber called Happy Haunting. He had put up a couple posters from them, and I just really love the artwork, how saturated and beautiful the artwork was. So I picked up the tarot cards. Here's them all laid out. It's just the major arcana. But there's some beautiful visualizations, and I plan to continue my witchy theme for 2024. So I'll have a few of those scattered throughout a number of my vignettes, which I think will really add to the ambiance. But aren't these beautiful? I just love all these drawings. Tell me which one's your favorite. And I picked these up from Amazon. Next up are these great little lumbar pillows that I purchased from HomeSense here in Canada. I am also went to the States for a little bit of a shopping trip. I was able to pick up the stacked skull topiary, the skull on a taper candle, and also finally this kind of, I don't even know what to call it, some kind of plant. It looks like an eggplant that's come to life, but I think that'll go great with into my garden. So I'm excited about those. I also picked up from HomeSense here in Canada this RIP marble tray. I think last year I got a ghost marble tray that I loved, and I think this will be great on my Halloween table. I also picked up from HomeSense in Canada these great tea towels, as well as that raven picture. And then finally from the States I picked up this house. I think it'll add some vertical elements to one of my vignettes. And finally, I picked up the horse skeleton. It's going to go with another item that I'll show you in my haul number 2 to deck out my front yard. So that's it for my Halloween haul for July and August. Thank you so much for being here, and please consider subscribing.